Welcome to this Soft Pastel landscape demonstration. This colorful sunrise on the pond is a time-lapse video on sanded 500 grit paper using an alcohol wash to blend some of the color pigment used in the sky and water. As I start with the sky, I've added some light gray, cream color, pinks and yellows and orange primary colors as a base in the skyline. Then I'm using an alcohol wash to blend some of these colors together. I have also blocked in the tree line and the edge of the water to the pond. I'll also block in some of the trees in the forefront. Now I'll start adding some of the darker values to the sky, along with some of the pink hues that blend into the cloud. I'm using a mixture of light blue and along with the pink, it's creating a soft violet hue in the sky. Now that I've applied a few layers in the sky, I'm able to blend the colors more easily with my fingers. I'll add some more dark values to the sky and some light purples and pinks and blend them using my fingers to create a very soft look in the sky. I am using a free photo reference on Paint My Photo by Sandy Bell Photography. She has some great photos to work from. I'll begin shaping the tree lines and fields in the background, and in the furthest view I will add some blue to the tree lines and a lighter shade of blue to the very back tree line to create that distance in the field. I'll start blocking in some trees along the water's edge and add some green to the field behind the tall grasses. I'll add a few tall grasses here along the water's edge. The water's edge will be the darkest value, so I'll even use a little alcohol here to blend that area. I will add some cream color pastel to give the pond area a base that I can apply colors on top of, and they'll blend much easier. I'll start with some of the darker values found in the sky, and I'll form some green along the shoreline that will be reflecting into the water from the trees. Now we will add some of the yellow light reflecting in the water with a little bit of the pink and light violets that we find in the sky. Add some more dark greens on the shoreline reflected from the trees and shoreline grasses. Now we can start blending the colors along the shoreline to give it a more natural appearance. Whenever there's some movement in the water from the wind, it will create some small ripples in the water. So we want to make sure we add these little streaks of light blues and white into the water to create that reflective ripple effect in the water. I will shape these trees a little more along the shoreline and add a little bit of lighter color to help separate the values between the trees. Now we will add some final touches to our painting by adding some cattails to the very forefront of our painting. I hope you have enjoyed this landscape demonstration, and I look forward to sharing more videos of lessons and tips weekly. And if you haven't subscribed, please do, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all my new videos. Thank you.